In this video we are going to be analysing HLBZ. What do we see on it going forward? So to pull on the kind of important chart, which is the 6 month on the left, the 1 year on the right, these are going to provide us key and strong levels to trade off. Now, we are far from levels, as you can see, and the reason for that is it went from $9 down to 15 cents. Whenever you see this again, firstly, the company has a fundamental issue. You're probably going to get some comments, you'll probably see it in the comments. If you say, oh, they're doing this, they're doing that, doesn't matter. If a stock goes from $9 to $15, there is a problem. It's an issue. So again, if you're investing in this, definitely do your due diligence, because there is definitely a lot of risk on the table. Now, if you're a trader, then obviously it makes it a bit easier because you're not or at least a day trader, you're not holding it through the night. So the fundamentals don't really matter. You can trade it more on the technicals, or if you're trading the intraday fundamental news if it's just released. But what are we paying attention to? So it's 63 cents and 97 cents. These are our first deviations of both the 6 month and the 1 year. These will provide really good trading opportunities, but obviously that's far from where we are now. We need 300% from where we are now. But we'll quickly note these because these are strong ones, but we will quickly cut into the shorter term time frame to give you some levels for the nearer future. But if we do push up to here, the first time we hit this level, expect a pullback. And then if we did retest it, expect a breakthrough, come back to test as a support, and if it holds, good chance that we push up and hit to that $1 or what the 97 cent target. And again, the same thing, first time we hit that, expect a pullback. If we break through or retest it, break through, come back to test it as a support, and if it holds, again, a continuation to 146 would then be likely. So again, these are the longer term levels. These would be the key trading opportunities. If you can be patient, that's what I'd be waiting for. Now, if you're a bit less, or you're kind of already in the stock, or you're just a bit more impatient, or you're just looking for kind of day trading scalps, then we can be paying a bit more attention to the 30 and 90 day, 30 on the left, and 90 on the right. Now, what are we paying attention to then if we're looking at this chart? Well, on the right we have 40 cents as a key resistance and 5 cents as a key support. So this one will be a bit stronger than the left because, again, it's the longer the time frame, the stronger the level. So we could be paying attention to this. First time you hit it again, probably a short bias level. If we push down to 5 cents, probably a long bias bounce you could look for. Again, they're more scalps or at least day trades because it's on a shorter term time frame. Now, onto the 30 day. If we start pushing up, we do have resistances at 29 cents, 33 and 38 cents. And if we continue down, 19 cents, 14 cents and 10 cents are all going to be supports. So this is what we'll be focusing on in the near future. But again, like we said before, the longer terms are going to be much stronger trades. So if you can be patient, that's definitely what we'll be paying more attention to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on HLBZ. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.